In the diagram, JKLMN is a regular pentagon and KOPQRL is a regular hexagon. Find A, B, and then C. So let's see how we do this. We know that each interior angle of a regular polygon is given by n minus 2 times 180 degrees, all divided by n, where n is the number of sides. Now, for a pentagon, we have the number of sides to be equal to 5 from what I've counted there. So if we are put here 5, I have 5 minus 2, that gives 3 times 180 divided by 5. And that gives 108 degrees as each of the interior angle. Now, for a hexagon, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 6 sides. So if we take n equals 6, then if we take 2 from 6, we get 4 times 180 divided by 6, and that gives 120 degrees for each of the interior angles. So here, the angle here is 108, 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 and the angle here is 108. That is, each of the interior angles of a regular pentagon is 108. And if you take the hexagon, each of the interior angles is 120 degrees. That is very nice. Now the question is almost solved. So if I need JNM, then I take JNM, that is 108 degrees. If I need KOP, I just take the 120 degrees. And if I need MLR, then I add all these angles. That is 108 plus 120, that gives 228 degrees. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, follow, and comment for us to build the mathematics community.